how to introduce yourself in English, step by step for beginners. What do you say when someone asks you, "Tell me a little bit about yourself"?
You freeze, stumble, just say your name and stop.
We have all been there, but today you will level up.
Welcome to Learn English with Zayan and Sara. We made a fun PDF so you can practice the intro. Download it below and follow along.
Let's start with the four basic parts of any introduction. Number one, your name. Number two, where you're from. Number three, what you do. And number four, something fun or unique about yourself.
Here's an example. Hi, I'm Zayan. I'm from Turkey. I'm an English teacher and I love learning new languages.
Great! Now let's break that down so you can make girl.
Hello, my name is Zayan.
Don't do that.
Say it like this. Hey, I'm Zayan.
Let's give you three quick tips. Use contractions. I'm, not I am. Add emotion. Never, ever sound flat. Personalize it. Make it sound more like you.
Instead of just saying I'm a student, try I'm a university student and I'm super into technology.
Time to practice. Say it out loud with us. Hi, my name is.
I am from
I work as a or I study.
something fun about me is
Nice. Now, let's do one fast example together. Ready? Hi, I am Sarah. I'm from Jordan. I teach English and I absolutely love baking.
now your turn. Go.
Try it yourself and send it to us in the comments. We will rate it out of 10. No wrong answers.
Want to sound even more confident? Use these phrases. Nice to meet you. I've been learning English for 2 years. I'm excited to be here. In my free time, I love painting or playing football or watching K dramas.
These small phrases add a really big personality to your English.
And in formal settings like work or interviews, say, I'm part of the marketing team. I joined to improve my communication skills.
Don't leave empty handed. We've created special PDF just for this lesson to help you practice more.
Click the link in the description and get a free PDF practice sheet. Just add your email and it will be sent directly to your inbox.
It's a great way to review today's lesson and make your own introductions even better.
Try it yourselves and send it to us in the comments. We will rate it out of 10. No wrong answers.
That's it for today's lesson on introductions.
If this helped you, give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and tap the bell so you never miss a new video.
And don't forget, try it yourself and send it to us in the comments. We will rate it out of 10.
No wrong answers, just confident. Growing English learners. See you in the next lesson.